Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tonjiru. Tonjiru of ton is pork and jiru is soup in Japanese. Tonjiru is a Japanese cuisine that is prepared by stewing pork and vegetable with miso. It is similar but different from miso soup. Finally, I'll introduce the beautiful scenery of Japan, so please watch until the end. If you think this video is good, I would appreciate to push like, subscribe and bell mark. Let's get started. Introduce ingredients: 100g Japanese white radish, 70g carrot, 100g pork belly. I personally like the one with more fat. 70g burdock, 200g konjac, 2 aburaage, thin fried tofu, 4g dashi of bonito, 80g miso, 2 tablespoons of sake. Let's start cooking! Oh, I forget the important ingredients. 15g green onion. First, peel off the burdock. It has dirt on it, so wash it well before peeling it off. The burdock will be a decisive factor for the taste, so be sure to prepare it. And peel off the carrot. And Japanese white radish. 3 to 4 mm from the skin is hard, so it is better to peel it with kitchen knife, but a peeler is also fine. I cut it poorly at first, so it bent like this, but I don't mind. First, cut in the half lengthwise. If you cut it in a half, the bottom will be flat, so you can cut it diagonally. Oh, I couldn't cut it, so I try again. Cut it diagonally 5 mm width. It has slightly acid smell, so soak it in the water once. However, the aroma of burdock that is too exposed will disappear, so 3 or 4 minutes is fine. And then cut the carrot in half lengthwise. And cut into the half moon 5 mm width. Cut the Japanese white radish lengthwise into the quarters. And cut quarter round 5 mm width. Next, cut aburaage in a half crosswise. And then cut 1 cm width. And then cut green onion 5 mm width. Then konjac. Konjac is soft, so tear it off with hand. Tearing by hand increases the surface area and the advantage of making it easier for the flavor to permeate. Of course, can also cut it with a spoon. Cut into the 3 cm square. Next, cut a pork belly 5 cm width. after the soap with the burdock color came out. Rinse once and we are ready to go. So let's fry. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and turn on medium heat. And fry the carrot and Japanese white radish. These vegetables contain water, so if you stir fry them first to remove the water, it will be easier for the miso flavor to soak in later. I think it is easy to understand if you think of the sponge. If you add the water to damp the sponge, it will not soak in, but a squeezed sponge will soak in the water easily. Then, stir fry to bring out the umami of the pork. When the pork is cooked through, it's okay. And add 800 ml water. Then add all ingredients except the green onion. Add aburaage, konjac, and burdock. Then add a dash of bonito and 2 tablespoons of sake. And stir briefly. And cover until the boiling. When the turn on low heat for 5 minutes. And then 80 grams of miso. Dissolve it little by little and put it in. And add green onion. And cover and boil for 15 minutes on low heat. And let us taste it. Be sure to taste the miso, as the strongness of the flavor will vary depend on the type of miso used. If the taste is too strong, add water. If it is too light, add miso. Mine was just right, so finish! So let's いただきます. Look at this tonjiru with lots of ingredients. Miso soup is a dish that you can enjoy the soup, while tonjiru is a dish that you can enjoy the ingredients. Therefore, tonjiru becomes the main dish. Pork, aburaage, burdock, and miso taste harmoniously create the ultimate taste. When you drink the soup, you are wrapped in deliciousness. It tastes elegant. Great! Let's try making it. It's additional time. I introduce the beautiful scenery of Japan. This is Fukuroda Fall in Ibaraki. It is one of the 3 most famous waterfalls in Japan. It boasts the size of 120 meters in height and 73 meters in width. So it's very big. And looking at the waterfall from the observatory, and I can see it up close. Can you see the splashes flying? I was impressed by the waterfall in front of me. In the winter, I hear that this waterfall is all frozen, so I definitely want to go there in winter. Looking from the side, you can see from this distance, and everyone should definitely come. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!